Hi you guys, it's Chrissy Marie here and I am back with another video. This is another video entitled with the series, the Anastasia Beverly Hills series. I swear, like, these headbands just like fall off of me. It's so freaking annoying, but my hair looks wild. Anyways, I'm going to be taking the Prism palette this time, and we're going to be doing a look from here, which, although it looks like it's been dug into, it literally, like, I have not done a look with this palette. I think I just played with it a little bit, but I'm going to be doing this palette this video. And then I have my Instagram vote on what palette I should do next video, so we will see how that goes. But yeah, let's see what we're going to be doing. I still got the tape on this freaking mirror, so I'm trying to take it off so it can help me look at myself a little better while I'm doing makeup with this freaking palette. Alright, so I think, what are we going to go with? How are we going to do this today? I'm going to take the color Unity, which is this this new color right here. Right here. I'm going to be taking that color, and I'm going to be using that color as a transition shade. And it's nude, so you won't be able to see it that good. I made my eyebrows a little bolder today than I usually do. Don't ask me why. Just testing shit out, I guess. Alright, so after taking that transition shade, Jesus. After taking that transition shade, oh, this is super hard because I really don't know what I want to do. I just know I want to use the color Sphere, which, if you know this, or if you have this palette, is this color right here, which is like a highlighter green. So I think I'm going to take the color Parallel, and which is just the brown shade, and I'm going to also, I think I'm going to do a halo eye. So yeah, I'm going to take that color and just start my halo. It's so hard when you're choosing to work out of your comfort zone, because like I don't mind doing makeup on other people like that with that bright color, but do I do it ever on myself? No. So I'm just going to take it in my inner corner to make the halo. I'm just going to take my transition, the color I use, or the brush that I use for my transition color, and just smoke out any harsh edges. Thinking, I think I'm going to take Obsidian, which is the black color, and I'm going to smoke it on top of the brown. I'm gonna use that too. I think that would be good. Hopefully. We'll see how it works. So I'm gonna take that black color and just pack it on and hope for the best. Oh, I'm getting scared. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna take my little pencil brush and just try to smoke it out before putting any more product on it. I'm going back in with my parallel color, which is the brown shade. And just blending out any harsh lines that I don't see when I look in the mirror. Or my viewfinder. Or my monitor, I'm sorry. So my viewfinder is right there, and then my monitor is right here. So, you know, gotta look at myself as I'm doing this to make sure I'm doing shit right, basically. I'm going to just start with cutting my crease just in the middle. Alright, so after that is finished drying, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pack that highlighter color on. Oh! So after packing on that color, I'm kind of scared. It is like blotchy. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I don't know if that's the concealer or if that's just how this palette is. I did use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer to cut this. So I don't know. I'm still waiting for my P. Louise to get here. Hopefully it gets here soon, considering it's being shipped from overseas. But I'm gonna just start blending out these sharp edges right now. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of feeling discouraged right now. Trying to step outside of my comfort zone, and yeah, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. But let's just try to blend it out, at least. Try to finish the look before I give up all the way. Just blend it out with the parallel shade first. And then I'm going to take the black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop off the camera and I'm going to do my other eye and then possibly do my face and my hair. I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm just going to hop off the camera and do my other eye and my face. And then finish the eye for you guys. Yeah, so I already applied my wing and some black liner to my, what is it? What is this? What is this called? I cannot think. I cannot think right now. My waterline. My lash line, that's what it is. Jesus, why can't I think? Like, life just be hitting me hard. So I got this powder under my eye just so when I do the bottom lashes, you know, nothing fall out, because that is a very, very, well, to catch any fallout basically, because that is a very, very, very soft like formula. So I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo liner and I'm going to put this in my waterline actually. Okay, and then after applying that waterline or that white color to my waterline, I'm actually going to take Sphere, Jesus, why can't I talk? And I'm going to actually place that on top of that. Hopefully it comes out right. All right, and then I'm going to just take a little Morphe M408 brush and I'm going to take parallel very tightly against my waterline. Okay, and then I'm going to be a little bold and I'm actually going to take the black and smoke it out. Or should I be bold? I think I need some black. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to take the black and smoke it out. Just a tad bit. Alright beauty, so after that is done drying, I'm going to take a color out of here to put in my tear, in the inner corner tear dot. Same thing, right? I actually think I'm going to take Pyramid. Ooh, should I take Pyramid? No, I think that would be a little too much. Choices. Maybe Lucid. It's like a champagne color. For a highlight, we can see if that works. Let's hope it does. Okay, and I really don't know what type of lip to actually do with this, but I feel like my eyeshadow is so overpowering that maybe just a nude. So I did just grab my NYX liner, and this is the color London, and I'm going to just use this, which is just a nude pencil. And then I'm just going to take Max Shrimpton. If I've never seen it, here's the color. And I actually found a NYX liner that I wanted to use. It's a Vivid Bright liner in the color Vivid Escape, or yeah, Vivid Escape is this. But I'm scared. I'm scared. What if it doesn't come out right? Then my whole look is messed up. Life is about taking chances, right? If it doesn't come out right, I can just fix it by just adding more gel liner, gel black liner. So I'm going to add it and hope that it comes out right. And I'm going to just speed through this part. Okay guys, so after I finish the eyeliner, which is a little bit cracky, but I actually like it. I actually like the whole look. And I added Skimpy from ColourPop, like one of the little lip pencil, like creamy lipsticks, to the lipstick that I already had on because it was just too dry. So yeah, I think I like it. Like, you guys let me know if you like this look. I'm trying not to get anything on my little turtleneck, but it's kind of like hard because it is a turtleneck. And I didn't have any clothes to wear with this, so I was just like, might as well put on something white. So yeah. Let me know if, oh, the lashes that I have on are, what are these lashes? Are Salon Perfect 615s. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that these are my favorite cheap lashes. I get them from Walmart. If you live in my area, please don't take all the lashes from me. Please don't. But yeah, I get them from Walmart for $8.88 for 5. So I think that's a good deal. But yeah, so this is the finished look. If you have not already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment what you would like to see next as far as the Anastasia series. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Love you.
Love you too. Close it all the way, babe.